But look at this.
See your favorite, Leila?
Look at my ears now.
Hi neighbors! How you doing? A friend here? A friend, baby? Sorry. It's me, and guess who this is? Type in the comments who you think this baby is. I'm not going to say her name. So we're here today, we're going to do the ancestry test. As I won the rock, paper, scissors between me and Hannah yesterday.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And so, first order for today is ancestry kit. Ready, baby? Alright, so Daddy's going to do the test and find out a little more about his ancestry to see which part of West Africa and whatever his DNA is linked to. Alright? Then you can know a little about yourself. Because you are from Daddy and you look like Daddy. Right? Alright. Stay put in the back seat. Alright? Alright. Kiss. Alright, so instructions. Activate your kit, collect your saliva, mail your sample, explore your results. I can do that. Tina's in the kitchen cooking and I have a storyteller because of course I did something wrong.
Of course, you don't listen to me.
That's not true. So because I saw her do the thing, I was like, you know what, I got this. I don't need to do the activation first. These people can't tell me what to do. I know what to do. I'm the man. I am a trampoline set-upper.
I want some juice.
You want juice, please?
Where must I get this juice from? I don't have any juice. I'm gonna mix drink later.
We'll soon give you juice, okay?
I'm gonna mix juice. Drink your. There's water, and I mixed some milk for you in the fridge. Drink water then.
So, I'm the guy who sets up trampolines. I don't need to know how to do this. I already saw this done, right? So, it said to activate your pin first, babe. And I was like, I can do this at the end because I saw the process. I don't need to do this at the start. But, after putting my sample in the box and sealing said box, I don't know if you can see here, this is me trying to open the box.
Paul, really?
When I realized that the code is locked in the box after I sealed it up with the tube in there.
So you didn't, oh gosh.
But then some just chip in and say, yo Paul, yo, you're a star, you do just too cool, man, cool, right? You know that voice in your head? And I said to myself,
no babe, we don't all possess this voice. Tell us more.
and then I said, calm down, and I said, the box has a barcode on it. And I said, you know what? maybe this barcode is my code. And of course it's not the code. But looking back to the manual, which I totally ignored, the code is on the back right here. And I was able to
Thank
to
God
progress.
for they make these things for people
Right.
like you.
Yeah. For men.
For men who don't really know instructions.
Anyway, so now I'm going to the post office. Afternoon, Mosh. Alright, this I want to send this off. I don't hear? No, it's going to Ireland. It's a sample of saliva. Saliva. No, on me. No, it's an ancestry kit that they're doing a DNA. Ancestry. Ancestry. I think it's ancestry.com people. I don't know what the company name. So it can't go through. In Canada, we got the kit from Canada. They sent it out here, and it's supposed to go to Ireland. So I'd have to be private. I'd have to go through like a company, like a DHL or so. Alright, cool, thanks. Alright, so here's the thing. They only send into certain places, basically in the Caribbean, like Trinidad, Grenada, Guyana, those places. Ireland, because of COVID, they said that certain places they're just not sending. So I'll have to use a private company like FedEx or Tara, or I don't think Tara, probably DHL or FedEx to get this there. And I'll see when I can get that started out. But right now I have a tire that is very deflated, and I'm going to try to get some air in there. Then I'll go back home. We're trying to figure out our ancestry, find more about, our history and what bloodline is West African and Indian and Chinese and DNA, all that jazz. The identity is very important, and it got me to thinking that as Christians, in 2 Corinthians 5 verse 17 it says, "Therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creation. All things are passed away. Behold, all things are new." That's powerful. So regardless of what our ancestry DNA thing turns up, whatever percentage of our DNA is Chinese and Indian and West African, we have spiritual identity in Christ. Regardless of where we have been, what we have done, God has made us new in Christ. That's powerful, and that's something that we need to accept and walk in. So if you are a Christian, accept and walk in it. If you are not a Christian, come receive Christ. No matter what you've done, Christ will make you brand spanking new. Speaking of brand spanking new, it's a new day, and Tina is here, but it's not she alone. Have family. I have family too, and you saw her pictures, her father and her mother and sister, whatever. I have father and mother and sister too.
Of course, babe.
I'm going to show you some of my relatives. And this whole ancestry thing just got us in a kind of nostalgic mood to look back at, these vintage stuff. Because some of these pictures I didn't recognize myself. I look so weird.
Yeah, but you see, you notice him have the kind of Chinese looking eyes too.
Just small eyes.
Maybe have some Chinese.
I just have small
Way
eyes.
back
There's
in the
nothing
days.
Chinese about my eyes.
We're starting with now. Oh, there's Eden and Ava as well.
Say hi. Say hi
Say
to
hi,
neighbors.
Okay. Alright, let's get to it. Here's this black boy with big cock off ears. Man, my head is huge. Look at
Where you
my
get them red ears from?
look at my body. My gosh.
I don't think it's your dad, because here's your dad.
So that was me at about 7 or 8 or 9, I don't know. But this is my father.
Look at that. Look
Young days. People always say that I look like him, but really and truly, I think I just have his head back, and the shape of his head.
Yeah, look at, I mean,
So this is him now.
you have a bit of his swag, I guess.
So this is Mr. Swaggerific himself in his nice two-piece suit.
Two-piece.
Bible in hand, and going to
Gentleman
church.
Gentleman shoes.
Remember these shoes that have the two
tassel.
right at the end.
Yes, sir. All we're gone, I think you look like your mother.
You know, so she look like Odin right here.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yes. Right here, my mother looks a lot like my cousin, Odin. Odin, if you're watching, let me know what you think. But I think right here she looks a lot like Odin.
Elegant norm. Yeah, but wait. She gonna kill you for that picture here, you know. But you know, black people have come in all kind of shade and
Yeah.
um.
But this one don't look like me.
Daddy.
I
She don't
think
look
so.
like-
I
no, I
think
don't
the
look like her.
eyes. I think you have her eyes. I think you have her. Definitely her eyes. You have.
Yeah. I look like her sometimes.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Look like daddy.
Zaza? Zahra.
Yes, daddy.
Yes. Why you mouth dirty?
What were you eating?
I was eating cereal.
You're eating cereal, okay. Yeah. You ate it all off?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, okay.
Look, it says
This is
Daddy and Baby Paul.
Wow. Look at Daddy and Baby Paul.
That head back look familiar.
Yep, that's the trigger head back right there.
A lot of
This
people
must have shared right this. Don't.
probably. I don't know. Speaking of her, a lot of people don't know that you have a sister.
Right, this is the Vanessa. Again, you see the signature cock off ears. I don't know where we get it
Where
from.
you get that from? Right.
I'm not sure because I don't see it in my mother or my father.
Right.
But we have it strong. And I think she have a little Leila smirk. You can see Leila get her a little smirk and cheeky looks from. But this is her when she was going to primary school.
And this is her at
This is her
high
all grown
school.
She was leaving St. Andrew. What them say?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew High School for girls, right? Not Ulmas, but it's a good girls' school. Alright, so this picture I have the entire Reed clan. Starting from left, this person pouting is Vanessa. Looking at the person who moderating, I don't know what the person who moderating do to her. I think she's saying church going on too long now. Right here is Mommy holding little Paul with his little toy, and then Sir Donald here in his swaggerific suit. And don't forget the Atachi. Who remember Atachi in those days? You remember Atachi, babe? Oh gosh,
Yeah,
man.
people still carry Atachi, but I mean,
Which people is it carry
the
Atachi?
modern kind, not those briefcase
Right.
kind.
No, so yeah, man. I remember you have to have code to pull it.
Yes.
And you see it fly. Bloop. So this one is Mama Boyle, my grandmother on my mother's side. She passed in 2014. But as you can see, I think it's the cut off ears out.
It does look like it.
It does look like it, though.
Yeah. I definitely think
You think
there's
she look
some
like-
resemblance to your grandmother.
Yeah, clearly. But this program has a lot of nice pictures. Take a look. So these two lovely looking ladies is the same people. This is Sherry going to, I think, Webster Memorial Basic School. With a little, she always have this little cheeky look. And then this is her graduating, I think, from UWI, right?
That's a lovely picture.
All grown up. Yes.
Sharif, I want this picture.
Yeah, this picture look nice. Real nice. Alright, so moving on.
Wow, look at Norma there.
Which Norma? Which Norma?
This Norma, isn't this Norma?
Okay, look at Norma, man.
Beautiful Norma.
Norma Reed. Going on, you know, she always have these hot poses. And she have it there. But take a look at this, guys. Who is this? Woolmerian. Who is this Woolmerian right here? My gosh. It's shameful to look on.
Why?
It's too much, man. I look real green.
You know, I love this one. This picture here, I love.
Before I go there though, this is my cousin Renee. Renee, big up. And this picture is cock off ears personified. So this is Daddy, Mommy, Sherry. But look at this.
See your favor, Leila?
Look at my ears. No, look at my ears. This look like a caricature. My ears right here are too much. Wow. That's crazy. My ears don't look so cock off now, guys.
You've grown into them.
Yeah. And they kind of, you know, align. Like when you have braces, in the teeth body, you get back aligned. It can't work so. I don't think the ears work so, but it's so it look like it's coming on, you know?
Anyway, what we're going to do about the Ancestry kit?
Alright, so we are going to have to find a DHL or FedEx outlet that
Preferably in Portmore. If you guys know of any in Portmore,
let us know in the comments. And try to get that done by tomorrow. And let's say 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah, 6 to 8 weeks for the results.
Yeah, and I think if we go FedEx, it would actually move quicker.
Hopefully that means we'll get our results back by Christmas.
October, November, December. Yeah, man, that's 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's comfortable.
That would be great.
Yeah.
To share with you guys, because hopefully by then we'll be doing a vlogmas.
Yeah.
Woohoo! The weekend is approaching, so we should do something nice today.
What do you have in mind?
Pizza! Or just something
That's
fun.
not something nice. That's eat
the
something
kids.
nice. Leila and Zahra said that they want to bounce outside because we actually brought a trampoline inside the house.
Yeah. So we can do a little swimming. And
Yeah, a little splash pool and trampoline and niceness.
Yeah.
All the eating.
Pizza.
Alright.
Or what you want to eat.
We can go with work with the pizza.
Yeah, we can make something fun.
Yeah, we can. But I hope you as well plan something special. Enjoy your weekend. Make the most with the family tonight, movie or whatever it is that you do. Alright neighbors, so hope you have a great weekend. And big up as usual from me, this one here, and the house. Take care guys, bye.